Roblox Adopt Me. Sorry if the audio is really bad, it's just, yeah. Sorry about the volume, that was really loud. So today, we're gonna try to get my neon dog to luminous. It's this one right here. Hats me. So, I don't really know what to do right now. If you want to check out how to make this wonderful bedroom, check out It's Sweet Mango. She doesn't know me, but she's really good at building. Also, please subscribe to my friends' channels, Gloria and Estrella. Oh, and my friend's here. I don't know where she is, but, she teleported to me. So, yeah, I don't know what to do right now. I'm just kind of waiting for morning to come for now, I don't know what to do for now. Please ignore my sniffling, that's just me. If you hear things arguing me in my audio, please just ignore them. And, I'm just gonna get up quickly to grab a tissue. Okay, I just grabbed the tissue and let's go to the shower. This video is not gonna be too long because it's my first one. And my bathroom's really bad, sorry. So, I wasn't even trying to make this bathroom that good because it's not like I'm gonna have to see every day, but then I realized it's right next to my bedroom. I need to close this in order for it to look good, so it doesn't even look that good like that, but please ignore the fact that it is really bad. So, I know I don't have the best house. It's because, I only have the tree house, because I'm trying to save up money for another house. I'm trying to save up for the luxury apartments, this one, so that I can do a building challenge with my friend. With my friend Estrella or Gloria. I don't really have an intro yet, but, I'll try to make one as soon as I can. Since it's the Easter break, we only have 2 weeks of break, so if I randomly stop posting, then, just know it's because of school. So, yeah. I'm trying not to make this too long, so, I might leave soon. I'd say go for about, a minute more, I'm guessing. Next time I come back, I may be doing obbies with a friend. I don't know, and if I randomly start screaming, please ignore that. And, I really hope you don't hear anything in the background. It's just, sometimes my background audio is really bad. So, I don't really know what to do because, I can't find any of my friends that are online. Yes, I did have a friend teleporting to me earlier, but, I just went offline, so I don't know what to do now. Wait, I have a gift, controller balloon. I don't really know what I want to do. I don't know where to go, but, yeah, my inventory's really bad. Because, I haven't really been playing Adopt Me for that long. I haven't been playing as long as other YouTubers, but I'm not the best, but my inventory's not the worst still. I've got some good pets. I might end it here right after I check out the hats. Clear glasses, red ribbon, red color, jetpack, skeleton shell, number 1 ribbon, or yellow bean. Also, I'm not even that rich with Robux, so please don't think I'm really rich. I only have 5 Robux right now.